Alright everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to swap out these incandescent bulbs with, I didn't bring them with me. Hold that. Alright, so we're back. We're going to replace these incandescent bulbs. I forget the size. It's a longer, basically a longer and larger 194. I believe it might be a 212 or something similar. But here's the bulb we're going to replace it with. Nice LED wedge. Came in some cool packaging. So we're going to undo these two Phillips head bolts, screws, I'm sorry, and we'll pull it out and I'll stick them in. We'll see what it looks like. Should take those two screws out. These bulbs are all the same, even for the reverse lights. We're just going to swap out these right here at the moment. So there's the incandescent bulb. Stick that there from it. So swap this out. A little warm. We'll put our LED in. Hopefully it's not too long. Kind of a size difference there. We'll see how it goes. Alright. Talking to myself. There we go. So we got the right polarity already. So we'll slide that in. Looks pretty good. Like I said, a little bit longer. A little wider too. Oh man. As usual. That looks like it might be a problem. We may have to just slide it in this hole back here. We'll see. Hold on there. Alright, so it fits kind of tight in there. What I had to do was kind of put the bulb in here first and then put the socket, you know, kind of poke the wedge out of this hole right here and screw it in. So that seemed to work. There's the difference for you. Let's just get that in. Looks pretty good. I like it. So obviously we can't tell too much right now, but at night it should look a little bit better. Let me do the other side and we'll look at it done both ways. Alrighty, there we go. So both bulbs are in. I think they were $2 or $3 a piece. I've got one flickering here a little bit if you can see it. We'll see how long they last. That one's starting to flicker a little bit. I don't know, the voltage might be too much. I don't know. We'll find out. I don't use it very often, but when I do use it, I'd like it to be a little LED if possible. So anyways, pretty cheap way to do it. We'll see how long it lasts. I'll take a picture later on tonight, show you what it looks like at nighttime. Thanks for watching. Alrighty.